Hey everyone, so Christmas is round the corner, so I thought that I would share a tip about ringing people's bells. Okay, you can ring a bell on someone's profile, you can ring a bell on a group, you can ring a bell on a company page. So let's get started. So I'm going to first ring the bell on one of my new connections, Wendy Van Gils. I'm going to go to her profile, so I look for her name in the search bar, and it pulled her name up here. I'm going to do view full profile, and you will see a bell in the right-hand corner. Okay, now you ring bells of people whose content you want to read in your newsfeed. So you can really curate the content in your newsfeed. So if there are people that you want to get notified about their content, then you ring the bell. So now if I click on her bell, it'll say only get notified about Wendy's top posts, so her posts that do really well, that get a lot of engagement. If I ring it again, it says get notified about all of Wendy's posts. So right now I'm going to say get notified about all of Wendy's posts, so that every time she posts something, I will get a notification that she has posted, and then I can follow up on her content. So that's with regards to a personal profile, and you do not need to be connected to the person to ring the bell on their profile. Maybe it's someone you really admire, and they have a lot of connections and followers, and you don't even have to follow them. You can ring anyone's bell on anyone's profile. And they are rolling it out, but I'm assuming at this point, when you're watching the video, everyone would have got the bell by now. You also cannot see the bell on your own profile. So I know I have a bell on my profile because other people have rung it, but I can't see the bell on my own profile, so I can't ring my own bell. Okay, so that was with profiles, and then we can also do the same with groups and pages. So this is one of the pages that I manage. I'm an admin on. It's my own company page. And if I do view as member, so this is what all of you would see. You can again ring the bell, so you can get notified about all the posts from this page. So every time I post something or my virtual assistant posts something, you'll see it. Get notified about top posts from this page, again posts that do really well. Only get notified about activity involving you, and I'm assuming this is when you are tagged in a post or your post is being reshared on this page. All right, so it's my own page, but I'm going to click all new posts. And finally, you can go to groups if you're following any groups and you don't want to miss all the content. Because again, remember, the LinkedIn algorithm works in such a way that if you don't curate your content, you'll get all kinds of content in your newsfeed, right? So if you want to be strategic, if there are company pages, groups, people that you want, whose content you want to read, you have to let LinkedIn know that you want to see their content. So finally, we go to groups. I'll go to my group, LinkedIn for Thought Leaders. And you can see the bell again here. And it's very similar to the company page. All new posts, get notified about posts from people you may know. So actually, it's a little different because on a company page, only the company admin can post, and it will always show up with the company's name. Not maybe a company has several admin, but you'll never see their names if you are just viewing it. If you don't work for the company and you're not an admin, you just see the company page name. But with a group, anyone can post, right? So maybe there are people who are your first degree connections in this group. So you will get notified. So you can select where you only want to get notified about posts from people you know when they post in the group, or get notified about all new posts in this group, or only get notified about activity involving you. Again, if you are tagged, or you've been mentioned, which is again tagging, or maybe they shared one of your posts and again tagged you. So that's with the groups. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you like the content I share, please go to my LinkedIn groups, my LinkedIn page, and my LinkedIn profile and ring the bell. You can't see the bell because it's my profile, and as I said, you can't see the bell on your profile. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comments of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with my next LinkedIn tip video. Bye for now.